Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So tonight's video is how to install a VPN. VPNs are great for privacy or you know, just safe browsing in general if you want to remain anonymous, or you know, maybe there's some restrictions. Obviously you want to follow your guidelines and site usages of sites that you're visiting. So tonight we're just going to use Google Chrome and we're going to install VPN in like 60 seconds, and before you know it, we'll be in business. So I'm going to go to the Chrome store. Okay, first this is Windows, Chrome Web Extensions. I'm going to search Touch VPN. This is a free one I've heard that you can add to Chrome. And I do know they have phone versions and a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, so that's pretty easy. So I just installed it, and it shows up in the corner as this little button. So all I do is activate the button. And I am going to be surfing from the Russian Federation. Hit connect, and it's going to go out. Encryption is enabled. You have other things. This is really dope. And that's it. Boom, you're in business. Now you're surfing from Russia. That's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll leave a link down below to the Touch VPN on the Chrome store. Enjoy it. Use it. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.